It's National Cooking Day, and there's some things that you must have in your kitchen if you're cooking. Hey, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, today is September 25th. It's the 268th day of the year. It's only 97 days left in this year. And today is National Cooking Day. This is the day that you should cook. Let me just tell you some things that I truly feel like you have to have if you're cooking. And if you tell me you cook and you don't have these things in your kitchen, I know that you're not cooking, not for real. But not only are these things, these must-haves for the kitchen, they are also things that'll make cooking a lot easier for you, a lot simpler for you. You must have a slow cooker, which is also known as a crock pot, and that's a copyrighted name. You have to have a slow cooker. You have to have a pressure cooker. Listen now, you must have a pressure cooker. You must have a pressure cooker. I'm not going to say any more about that. You need to have an air fryer, honey. An air fryer and a convection oven are the same thing. Now, if you really cooking, you need to have a rice cooker. It makes your life so much easier. You can have a food processor. Fancy smancy, but if you're trying to cook fresh vegetables and fruits and eat healthier and organic and stuff that doesn't have a lot of preservatives and chemicals on it, you really need to have you a food processor. So those are all the things that you need. Happy National Cooking Day.